My name is Brockman. What inspires me most is being able to work with community partners, campus partners, students to come up with things that help solve real-world issues that are facing our local community. I think one of the ones that's most exciting for me right now is working with a group of neighbors and city officials on the near west side of South Bend, one of the few neighborhoods that doesn't have any park space. And so there are neighbors and city officials that are looking to create a linear park that goes from the historic South Bend City Cemetery to the Salvation Army Croc Center, combining some vacant properties and some other assets in the community and figuring out how to weave that together. The crux of how we get stuff done is that we hire teams of interns, up to 50 between South Bend and Elkhart over the summer. And these aren't only Notre Dame students, we have high school students, Bethel College, Indiana University, South Bend, Ivy Tech Community College, others that are all working together. That kind of thing that has lots of moving pieces with lots of partners that achieves a positive outcome for everybody involved. That's really what gets me going. Having spent time in a developing nation and thinking about the person I want to become, the mission of this place resonated with me. Honestly, looking back at it, the deciding factor was the people I met, and not necessarily in the labs and not necessarily about the research, but the people that gave me a campus tour were sort of old school Notre Dame faculty, that had grown up in a different era before it was, I think, striving to become a premier research institution. And they were just unique. I enjoyed being around those people, and I think that's really what swayed it. And I think, my whole career here, I think, has been focused, on trying to become the kind of person like the people I met when I interviewed.